Well, as researchers around the world race to create a coronavirus vaccine, the big question, of course, is when they have one, will anyone get it?
And a new Gallup poll says 1 in 3 Americans would pass on the vaccine if and when it becomes available.
And WJZ is live. Annie Rose Ramos spoke to Baltimoreans about the growing debate around a COVID vaccine. Annie Rose?
Rick and Denise, we know scientists are racing to develop a vaccine, but we wanted to check in with folks to see how they're feeling about whether they take the vaccine once it becomes available.
We've got to make as much open, honest, and transparent outreach to the community to convince them that getting vaccinated is for their benefit and the benefit of the community.
Dr. Fauci speaking in June, stressing the importance of getting a COVID vaccine. But a recent Gallup poll says 1/3 of Americans wouldn't get it, like Tylisha Chester.
I won't get it if they do come out with one, and neither will my kids.
Her 5-year-old son has asthma.
What's your name?
David?
Making him more at risk for the virus, but she remains skeptical about the vaccine.
Just because I don't trust the vaccine.
She's also unsure of the flu vaccine, but Sinai doctor Susan Lipton says she didn't get flu shots either until
I got the flu, and 4 days later, I was on life support. I get the flu vaccine now.
other parents like Afton White Gross are on the fence about a COVID vaccine.
I think I'm middle of the road.
More afraid about how fast these vaccines are being developed
Very concerned about the speed.
and that it hasn't been around long enough.
You're going to experience certain side effects. They wouldn't know that.
Dr. Lipton is also cautious, especially for her family.
You're going to have to convince me it's safe, but once I'm convinced, I want them protected.
And there are COVID clinical trials out there, Dr. Fauci says. If you're interested and want to participate, you can. So head to our website to learn more. Reporting live, I'm Annie Rose Ramos for WJZ.